Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase player by skill move. Um, Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, so right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner that new into this game feature. So this skillful player, let's tap the market, go to the search, tap the search, scroll down, and this one, skill move level. They are range for level 1 until level 5. So for example, level 3, search, and this player that have a minimum of skill move level 3. Let's for example tap this De Bruyne. De Bruyne have a 4 skill move. Let's try the minimum one. Kenny Dalglish have 4. So this a skill move, like this is Xabi Alonso have 3-star skill move. This skill moves is a very effective if you are playing auto mode or even manager mode, and it's synchronized with the trades. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the game.